Hey guys, this is vlog number 13. Um, yeah, I'm watching It Shouldn't Be Alive. It's about like these people who have near-death experiences, but they make it out. This one is about, let me see, the family. Sorry, excuse me, I have hiccups. A family becomes lost in the Arizona desert when their car breaks down, and this is by the border too. So, excuse me again. Hold on. Okay. Today is the last day of summer. And my last day of being 12 years old. Pretty sick, huh? I'm excited. Well, I'm excited but not excited too. So, yeah. Well, I had the hiccups, I'm sorry. Yeah, the dogs are inside. I want to do something today, but I don't know what. It's like, not almost loud. Sorry, again. I'm sorry about this. Anyway, yeah, so the dogs. The dogs are in the house with me. So that's pretty sick. Yeah. Come on. This show's interesting.
But the road becomes more uneven, and it seems
Whoa.
they're going further off the beaten track.
Uh-oh. Someone's texting me. This is scary. Oh, it's my friend Katie. Oh my gosh, this is getting so annoying. This creep's like texting her. Hey, will you guys comment below what I should tell her to do? Like, I know she's gonna see this, but still. I'm telling her to ignore him, but I don't know. He won't leave her alone. I told her to block the number, but she doesn't know how, so. Hey, whatever. I'm sorry, this is an interesting show. I'll text her back at the end of the video. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous for tomorrow. I'm half nervous, half excited. Because I get to meet someone that my friend Carolyn introduced me to or whatever. Pretty exciting. I can't wait for day 2 though, because then I have drama that day. That's my elective, because I have PE tomorrow. And I have drama the next day. And then later that day I have my old neighbors from Iowa coming, and I'm excited. Hold on. Let's see, what did he say? Oh. This is weird. Yeah. Hey, my hiccups are gone. I just realized that. Yes. Oh. That's not good.
There was no charger in the charge.
It's not good.
I should have just stuck to my decision and says, no, we're going to turn around here. We're not even.
They're stranded now. And they had a cell phone, but it's out of battery. And they don't have a charger.
We had enough provisions on that particular day for one day. With their vehicle stuck and with no way of contacting anyone, Roger knows there's only one option.
This is scary. Oh no, they're staying the night.
Just how dire their situation has become.
From the time the sun sets to the time that sun rises is very dangerous.
Oh, I wanted to tell you, check out this, it's a really funny video, I love it. It's, basically, what it is, it's called Kids React. It's really funny. Like, it's basically kids doing viral videos, and what their reactions to them are, and then after they watch it, then they get asked these questions. I suggest you guys type in Kids React, Rebecca Black, or Kids React Selena Gomez. So those are funny. And then also the channel name is Fine Bros or something like that. I know it's Fine Bros. I'm subscribed. No, I don't think I'm subscribed to them anymore. I might be friends with them. I don't know. Check my friends. Yeah. And yeah. Well, this video was like just 3 minutes, like a minute ago. I'm hungry. I'm gonna make some food. Wish I could make a bagel. That would be awesome. I'm gonna go, guys. So, bye.